Good morning. Welcome to our house. Coco, calm down. Coco's always a welcoming friend when you come in. So we're in Mayo. We actually kind of decided to move here on a whim. We found a really cool lot and we decided to build our first home here together. So we actually live in Mayo, so it's about 15 minutes from the shop. We actually kind of started the company so that we could stay here because we loved it so much. And we actually just found a lot here and we decided that we would put up a house while moving, while getting married, all in 1 year, and change jobs. So it was a pretty crazy year, and we've lived here for 4 years now and we love it. So now let me show you guys around. So Kevin is watching Suits now, season 8 I think. So the one thing that we love about this house is the windows. So this is actually a modular home. So it's a maison Bonneville. So it's actually 2 modules. So right down the middle, the house is actually split. So this is one module and on the other side is the second module. So they actually came here with a crane and then dropped the 2 modules on top of the foundation, which was really cool to see and scary at the same time. So we designed the house really around the location, so we wanted something with a lot of windows, so that's why we picked this model. We really love the fact that there was a lot of wood in the home and that we would have a great view, so it kind of feels like a tree house up here because it's all, you know, trees and windows. So, and it's all open concept. So we have our living room, dining room, all in one. This is actually a table that Kevin made. It's actually for sale on our website right now. So he made this over months and months, and we love the way it looks here. The light hits are really good, and it's really a showpiece in our house. So let me show you what we have in our fridge. We actually don't have very much because we didn't even have time to go grocery shopping over the weekend. So we have watermelon, a couple eggs, obviously Coco's food, some milk, essential, and pretty much not much else. We've been eating out a lot this week. Our cupboard has also not much. A lot of spices. I love cookies. A lot of bread and Kevin's favorite spicy pizza sauce because he eats pizza like 2 to 3 times a week, every week. And as you go through our home, you can see that there's really a mix of new and old things. I'm actually pretty thrifty and frugal, so I buy a lot of stuff in antique shops and also in actual garage sales. So this is something that I actually bought in a garage sale. Kevin hates it, but I really like it. And then we bought this cool light. It was actually handmade, and I actually got this in a yard sale. I think I paid $40 for it, and we just love it. So this is really cool. This is something that we got. It actually has the whole Slama history of the name and where it came from. So it's something that we love, and we just kind of put it in the center of our home. It's the first thing that you see when you come in. And the other thing that you see when you come in is our bathroom, something that we actually didn't think about when we were making the house. So we kind of got here and we're like, oh, wow, you can see the bathroom right away, so we always got to keep this clean. So my favorite thing about our bathroom is the bathtub. So it's completely framed out by the window. And as you can see, we have no curtains in our house at all because we really don't have any views of neighbors. And Kevin always keeps the bathroom door open when he's in here. So if anybody ever decides to come visit us and Kevin's in the bathroom, they see everything. We have no secrets anymore between each other. So we really love our bathroom. And let me show you our guest room that pretty much nobody ever uses. I actually wanted to make it Coco's bedroom, but she's always in her bed anyways. So we have bed here, pretty basic. If you come visit, you have a room. And here's our bedroom. We actually had to get a king-size bed because I never had room anymore, and I would wake up always with a stiff back because Kevin and Coco were just always on my side. So now we upgraded and we have room for everybody. So again, we have our dresser. I have 2 closets actually. I have this one and the other one. Kevin has a tiny little space in here because I have a lot of clothes. I love everything animal print, so we have our animal on the floor, obviously not real. And then our basement's still not finished because we've just kind of run out of time. And Kevin and I actually did most of the work in here. So we put down all the flooring, we did all the real finishing inside. Kevin actually built the deck. He actually worked on this by himself for almost a year. I mean, I helped on weekends, but it was mostly Kevin. So that kind of got him into really, wood, and really helped us learn that we could work together, because we did a lot of projects together, which can be really hard sometimes. And we found that we didn't fight. So we knew when we started the company that it was actually going to work out, because we knew we could work together. Now we're going to go outside. This is one of the greatest features in the home. Kevin actually spends most of his time out here. Even in the winter, you'll find him out here, and we barbecue all year round, summer, fall, winter, and the snow, doesn't matter, we're here. So we have a little deck area. I actually got this hanging chair this year because we were at the Alt Hotel this winter and they had hanging chairs and I just loved it, so I decided to get one of those. We have 2 barbecues because we do like to barbecue, and then we have a separate little seating area over here. And the cool thing about this deck is that it really feels like a tree house, and you have a view of the lake. And our property actually it's quite large. It's almost 2 acres, so we have a lot of green space here. It's also a lot of work to me. So we're pretty busy when we're here on the weekends, just keeping up with the property. So hope you enjoyed our tour. Coco and I are going to chill out a little bit, and then guess what? We're going back to work.